We almost got lost even with Google Maps. इसके साथ मिर्ची विर्ची आना चाहिए था. We are outside. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of Ahmedabad vlog. We had Sev Khamni for the first time and it is delicious, and we also had some samosa chaat. Our first location for today is Adlaj Stepwell, जिसके लिए हमने कुछ 30-40 मिनट ट्रैवल किया. The Adlaj Stepwell, also called as Adlajni Vav, is a 5-story water reservoir that was built by Queen Rudabai in the year 1498. It has a blend of Islamic floral patterns with Hindu and Jain carvings. Again here, no DSLR videography or photography is allowed. हमने लेकिन फ़ोन से लिया ना तो वो चलता है. So there are 3 entrances leading to the well and there are 2 wells in total, जिसके छत पे भी हम गए. The stepwell has a linear plan with steps leading down. There is also a small temple-like structure inside. Overall, it is an architectural marvel. It has multiple entry-exit points. This is Tri Mandir. This was not in our plan, but it was very close to the stepwell, so we thought we will give a visit to this one. This might look like an aesthetic video, but no, it's not. It's basically sun की वजह से चटका लग रहा है पैर पे because the floor is so hot. जब हम वहाँ गए थे तो कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क चल रहा था, but overall it's a huge temple. There was a person called Baba Bhagwan जिनके stories क्या पूरा, there was a whole miniature set that was made illustrating the story of his life, his principles, and it was very interesting to see. I mean, in a temple they had all this museum elements as well. Then there was a video display show. This mandir was very interesting because in one temple itself it had Buddhism. There was sculpture of Sri Krishna. There was also a Shivling. I got my hands on these 2 books from there. We got a recommendation कि हमको गिफ्ट सिटी देखने जाना चाहिए. So from Adlaj we left for Gandhinagar to see the gift city, and this is how it is. It's basically a whole commercial space. Basically Mumbai mein we have BKC, there we have the gift city. It serves as a global finance and IT hub, providing a dedicated ecosystem for banking, insurance, capital markets. So it is basically India's first greenfield smart city. The GIFT मतलब Gujarat International Finance Tech City. We had decided कि हम यहाँ आए हैं तो हमें गुजराती फूड ही खाना है. So we had all these authentic jalebis, गाटिया, फाफड़ा, थेपला सब खाया हमने, and it's all just so authentic and yummy. We had methi, gota, everything. तो बेसिकली हम जब जा रहे थे तो आई ट्रिप्ड एंड आई फेल डाउन एंड गॉट हर्ट ऑन माई नीज, ऑन माई फीट, एंड जिसकी वजह से होल हो गए. This is a masterpiece of modern architecture designed by Corbusier in 1954. An architect will understand it. So it has brutalist architecture and it has sun shading system. That's modular man. Exposed concrete, raw aesthetics, touch of primary color. After that, we came to Hussain Doshi Gufa, also called as Ahmedabadni Gufa. The architect is B.V. Doshi, and the cave-like structures are made using ferrocement, and on the top it has China mosaic. The murals inside the walls are made by the late master artist Maqbul Fida Hussain. The entire dome structure is supported by irregular, slanting columns placed at intervals. Outside there is art gallery, bookstore, amphitheater, also a cafe. This is the plan of the Hussain Doshi Gufa, where we see that in the core concept they have multiple functional spaces that was designed. Every space was given a purpose. उसके बाजू में ही था विक्रम साराभाई कम्युनिटी साइंस सेंटर, so we went there also and got a few videos and pictures clicked. यहाँ का सिक्योरिटी पर्सन सो रहा था तो we kind of sneaked in. दिस इज सेप्ट एंड काफ़ी लोग जिन्हें मैं जानती हूँ वो यहाँ गए हैं मास्टर्स करने. दिस इज़ द झिल्ता मीनार मेड इन द 15th century. इट हैज़ 34 मीटर टॉल minaret एंड इसमें से एक जो है वो ब्रेक हो गया ड्यूरिंग वन ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक. द minaret sways, इसलिए इसे शेकिंग minarets भी बोलते हैं. We are outside the Akshardham temple and we are supposed to give our phones and everything in, we have to hand over before we go inside. So no recording here, no videography, no photography here. Outside the Akshardham temple, it's like a whole market setup where we'll get to see lehengas, Gujarati food, a lot of stuff. हम ना इवनिंग में आए ताकि हम लेज़र शो देख सकें. तो ये सिर्फ देखेंगे, रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. उसके बाद मे बी विल ट्राई दिस लोकल मार्केट जहाँ पे बहुत सारा लहंगा है यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले पे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फूड ऑप्शंस ऑन स्ट्रीट. सो लेट्स गो. The show is done and we are out, and it was a very, very good show. We enjoyed. I mean, we could not record anything. We had a lot of food, could not even record that. But yeah, we had a very good experience. Incredible water show. Just for context, this is the light water fountain show, which is so beautiful. It has fire element, water elements. It's a treat to the eyes. And this is the beautiful Akshardham temple. I got this beautiful lehenga for myself. Gujarat also has Palladium, जो यहाँ पे वीडियो में दिख रहा है. So my sister wanted to go to Palladium, but we were like, नहीं तुम बाहर जाके भी मॉल में जा रहे हो. So we did not go, but this is how Palladium in Gujarat looks like. We decided to go and see Kankaria Lake before reaching the room, and we kind of got lost in the route and Google Map detected something else and हम लोगों ने 30 मिनट्स गलत डायरेक्शन में ट्रैवल किया. फिर वापस मैप में ठीक से डायरेक्शन लगा के 30 मिनट्स और ट्रैवल किया. पूरा डी रूट हो गया था, बट फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड द होटल. We have finally reached the room. Day 2 and we have reached home around, what is the time, Prachi? 12 o'clock? Yeah, 12 o'clock at night. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.